Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best 4K camera for live streaming in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Logitech Brio 4K webcam. This Logitech Brio 4K webcam is the perfect choice for those looking for Ultra HD video calling. Its advanced noise-canceling microphone ensures that your voice is crystal clear, even in noisy environments. It also features an HD auto light correction that automatically adjusts the brightness of the image to ensure a bright and clear image regardless of the lighting situation. With a wide field of view, you can easily see everyone in the room, or frame up a single person for a close-up shot. The Logitech Brio 4K webcam is compatible with Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Voice, and other popular video conferencing services, making it perfect for both personal and professional use. It works with PCs, Macs, laptops, MacBooks, and tablets so you can take your video chats wherever you go. Pros: Ultra 4K HD video calling. Noise cancelling mic. HD auto light correction. Wide field of view. Works with Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Voice, PC/Mac/laptop/MacBook/tablet. Cons: expensive compared to some other webcams. Number 2. Our second best pick is Canon EOS 90D DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera is an advanced and powerful tool for capturing stunning photos and videos. It features a Digic 8 image processor for improved noise reduction and image quality, as well as a dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system for fast and accurate autofocus performance. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily share photos and videos to compatible devices. You can also record stunning 4K videos with the EOS 90D. The camera also features a 3.0-inch vari-angle touch LCD screen that allows you to view your photos and videos with ease. With its impressive features and performance, the Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera is the perfect choice for photographers and videographers who want to capture stunning photos and videos. Pros: built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and connectivity. Digic 8 image processor for improved speed and image quality. 4K video for stunning detail and clarity. Dual-pixel CMOS AF for fast and accurate autofocus. 3.0-inch vari-angle touch LCD screen for easy operation and viewing. Cons: expensive compared to other cameras in its class. No built-in flash. No weather sealing. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sony RX107 Premium Compact Camera. The Sony RX107 Premium Compact Camera is the perfect camera for any photographer. It features a 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor that allows for stunning image quality in any light condition. The RX107 also has a 24-200mm f/2.84.5 size Vario Sonnar T** lens with 15x optical zoom, allowing you to capture far-off subjects with ease. Additionally, the camera features advanced features such as IAF, 4K video recording, and real-time tracking. With a fast autofocus and fast frame rate, you'll be able to capture moments in time with ease. The RX107 also has a robust build with dust and moisture resistance, making it perfect for the outdoors. With its wide range of features, the Sony RX107 Premium Compact Camera is the perfect companion for any photographer. Pros: features a 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor for improved image quality. Has a 24-200mm zoom lens great for capturing wide shots. Fast hybrid autofocus system with 315 phase detection points. Can record 4K video at 30 frames per second. Eye autofocus feature allows you to take great portrait shots. Cons: expensive compared to other cameras in its class. Battery life is not great and drains quickly when shooting video. Limited manual control options. No built-in flash. No built-in image stabilization. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Panasonic Lumix GH5S Body 4K digital camera. The Panasonic Lumix GH5S Body 4K digital camera is a revolutionary tool for capturing stunning visuals and high-quality video. This 10.2 megapixel mirrorless camera features a high-sensitivity CMOS sensor to capture sharp images with stunning clarity and color. The C4K/4K UHD 4:2:210-bit recording allows you to capture professional-level video with stunning detail and clarity. The 3.2-inch LCD allows you to easily review your images and footage with ease. With a lightweight and compact design, this camera is perfect for any photography or videography project. The Panasonic Lumix GH5S Body 4K digital camera is an excellent choice for capturing amazing visuals and videos with ease. Pros: 10.2 megapixel mirrorless camera with high sensitivity CMOS sensor. C4K/4K UHD 4:2:210-bit recording. 3.2-inch LCD display. High-speed autofocus. 5-axis dual image stabilization. Flash sync socket. Wi-Fi/Bluetooth connectivity. Cons: limited battery life. No external microphone jack. Expensive. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Canon XA55 Professional Camcorder. The Canon XA55 Professional Camcorder is a powerful and versatile tool for recording high-quality video footage. This sleek black camcorder features a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor and a powerful 20x optical zoom lens, giving you the flexibility to capture stunning footage from a variety of distances. The XA55 also offers a wide range of creative and manual controls for a more customized shooting experience. You can also take advantage of the camera's dual SD card slots for longer recording times, and Canon's advanced image stabilization technology ensures that your footage remains stable and clear. With its impressive features and amazing image quality, the Canon XA55 Professional Camcorder is the perfect choice for any professional videographer. Pros: high image quality with 4K UHD resolution. Lightweight and compact for easy portability. Equipped with a 20x optical zoom lens for capturing distant subjects. Built-in ND filters for controlling the amount of light entering the lens. Advanced autofocus system for fast, accurate focusing. Cons: expensive compared to other camcorders. Limited battery life of 3 hours. No built-in microphone for recording audio. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day!